We're going to talk about permanent color. Permanent color means what it says. It's permanent. It's going to stay in the cortex forever until it comes out. So when you're applying a permanent color, you'll need a chemical in order to help you to get into the cortex layer. And that product is developer or peroxide. Peroxide or developer will mix with the permanent color, and that will allow for the color to penetrate through the cuticle into the cortex layer, where it will stay in there forever. How permanent color works: you mix it with your peroxide and it will go into the cortex. It goes in very small. Once you mix your color and you apply it, it will go into the cortex, where there it will oxidize. Color will start to develop. The color will develop from a small molecule to a big molecule. That big molecule gets stuck inside the cortex and cannot come out. That is how permanent color works. There's retouch, and then there's virgin hair color. Retouch is when the hair is grown, and you'll be able to see what we call a line of demarcation from the regrowth to the already previously colored hair, whether it be natural or added hair color. Now, when you are doing your retouch, you will section your hair into 4 quadrants, starting from the most resistant, which is in the nape area, and then you will apply the color only to the line of demarcation. We'll try not to cross a line of demarcation, because once you pass a line of demarcation, the color on the already processed ends will become either darker, or because it's been processed twice, might become damaged. So to avoid that, just try to get your color right up to the line of demarcation. For virgin hair, it's the opposite. You will then apply the color in the mid shaft of the hair, and then you'll go back, and then you'll be able to put it in the ends. So for virgin hair, you leave at least a ½ an inch of the hair from the scalp, because the heat from the scalp processes the hair a lot faster than the shaft. So we'll process the shaft first, finish our 4 quadrants, and then we'll go back and then we'll apply the color to the roots. Then at the end, once the color is processed, we'll take about 5 minutes to mix the color, the remaining color, with water, or we can mix it with conditioner or shampoo, and then we can apply it to the faded ends to make sure that the color is even throughout.